Everybody, we're gonna make some delicious cinnamon baked apples in the microwave. Um, we're gonna make a topping for it. We use some of these packets. You can use regular or you can use the packets. And this is brown sugar, cinnamon, and this one's apple and cinnamon. How's Alice? Put some brown sugar. Oh, you don't have to have the brown sugar. You can just put the about a half cup to a fourth, just to make it kind of sweet. You have pure cane, and put a little cinnamon, pumpkin pie spice, whatever flavors you like, and butter, a couple tablespoons. Okay. You can put whatever seasoning that you want. You know, stir up your topping. You're gonna stuff it with this so that the apples will be delicious. Nice center. And I'm gonna make these in the microwave. You can put them in the oven, but it's so hot these days. If it was the winter time, it'd probably be a beautiful thing to put it in the oven. But since it's so hot, people have got their grills out, and they're not thinking about cooking in the kitchen too much. So we want to make sure that we don't get it too hot. And if you've got extra apples, like I've been doing extra things lately, like extra apples, extra onions, extra potato recipes, because you don't want to waste. I've rinsed these apples already, so you can cut the core out about 1 1/4 inches. Ooh, if you have an apple core, even better. I don't have one of those right now. If I make more of these, I might invest in it. You know what I mean? It's good to have it anyways. Okay, so you take the middle out. Or you can just slice it off, and then I just want to have like as much of the apple as possible. But open it out good. Get the seeds out. You're going to have juices at the bottom if you cut it through the bottom, and you just kind of like, I'm just telling you now because I probably won't show this. You could take those juices and distribute it over your apple. This is a harder knife. So you dig out as much as you can where the seeds are. The apple's going to kind of get shrunken, collapse a little bit. I always like to get the seeds out because you don't want to, you can pick them out as you're eating if you want, but I'd rather get them out as many as I can. And if you have a nice big backyard, save your apples and make a big apple tree. You have years to grow it. Okay, see? Pour it out. Best of your ability. We've got one there. And then we've got the red one also. I always start with the knife. sharp knife. And if you want to make it decorative, you can save the little top part, and if you haven't dug it out as much as I had, and pop it back on top of there. You know, different little ideas. And I noticed the red ones don't have as much seeds. See there? You kind of make it like that. It's not going to look like that when you're done. So I'll be back to show you. Okay, so we're back. We cored the apples, but what I like to do is kind of cut the top off a little bit. See there? Like that. Okay? It's up to you. You can save those rings. You can eat them. You don't have to cut the top off. I just do that so I can, you know, you don't have to take the top off. But I think it's a little easier to put your spoon in there and eat the apple. You can save these little round parts for different things. It turns a little brown. It's not going to harm you. It's just how it does when the air hits it. The apple. Just had our Bible instruction on Zoom. It was very wonderful. Don't worry. I didn't forget about everybody. I still have information to share. I'm just a little bit behind. But I will be uploading some good information, some good news. Okay, so we'll do I have 3 different types of apples. A little vanilla. I think it'd be good too. Stir it up good. Make sure the butter is room temperature, then it'll kind of blend in. You might notice I'm stirring in another little bowl because my daughter probably got tired of seeing me with the ice cream thing. Okay, so what we'll do, put this inside of your apple. The mixture, the crumble, kind of spread it on top. Put it down in there and on the top, okay? You can use cinnamon sticks, you can use cinnamon, you know, different, whatever you'd like to put in your apple or top it with. You don't even have to put anything. My mom used to put raisins. I don't have any raisins. And family's probably happy. I don't know, they might like it, but you know, you can, they look nice. Let's move these apples out of the way. Yeah, so if you have extra anything, there's always some way to use them so you don't waste them. You know, it's something delicious. Make sure you put it, stuff it in there first, and then top it. So you'll have some good, something good in there, plus the topping. We're putting it in the microwave, so I don't know how much. It probably would crisp it up a little bit or something in the oven, but we're not trying to get the oven going. As hot as it is around here, I think it was like, it had to be 90, close to 100 yesterday. It was really hot. And today it's hot again. I went outside take the dogs out, and it's pretty hot out there. So we're not trying to cut the oven on. Then you'll have all that electric going and people using their air, and you know, we don't want to go through the blackouts and all that. They used to do that here in California. I don't know if they did anywhere else. Uh-oh, she got Alice. The bunny is loose. But oh, we have just enough for all these. You can make more. Uh-oh, she got... Don't let her jump down. Okay, so we got a bunny loose. Okay, we've got these. See how they look? They look pretty nice, don't they? And sprinkle a little more cinnamon on them. They're probably not going to look as gorgeous. And what you want to do, put them in the microwave, you're going to cover them with something so they can steam. And we got quite a few.
I don't trust her up there.
So you can put, it says to put a little butter on top. So what we'll do is we'll do that. I'm going to go by the recipe. This is different than what we used to do. Oh, well, my mom. I never really, did I watch her make them? I remember there being some, my hands are clean. I remember there being raisins sometimes. You can take these pieces right here and cut up the apple chunks. Put like little apple pieces on there. You know, you can do that too. You know, you don't have to have, the way I'm putting it, you know, put whatever you like. It doesn't look good. Okay, so we're going to cover it. And it says to cook it for 14, you can cook it from 12 to 14 minutes on medium high until they're tender. And you're going to turn it halfway through the cooking time unless you have that rotating one. Spoon liquid from baking dish over apples to serve. Okay, so you did a good job with it. Very good job. It's a lot of work, isn't it? Okay, so we'll be back to show you what they look like. If it spins like this, it should be okay. You don't have to turn it. This one's been spinning, so just make sure it's spinning a little. Or if it doesn't spin, your microwave, just take and turn it so often. Okay, at least halfway through. And look for another recipe because I'm going to make some onion rings. Okay, so these are going to be onion rings. This is a separate. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, so the apples are out. Looks like there's an apple core at the back, huh? But that's something else. But anyways, see them steaming. They look delicious. You can take. Did you want the green one, the red one, or the? What kind did you want to try, hon? Okay. So she wants one of the green ones. So we're going to take one of these out, and it's nice and soft. It's very hot, so just be careful. Kind of split on the side there. Ooh, hot. But what I wanted to show you, pour some juice on it. See there? You can put ice cream on top. You can do other little things, you know, like whatever you decide. And